This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Highlander engine air filter. First, locate the air filter housing, typically a black box on the passenger side of the engine bay. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and possibly a flathead screwdriver for clips. Always make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin this simple maintenance task to avoid any burns. Now, let's open the housing. Depending on your Highlander model, you'll either unclip several metal clips around the housing or unscrew a few screws. Once all fasteners are loose, gently lift the top half of the air filter housing. Take a moment to observe how the old filter sits inside, noting its direction and any seals. With the housing open, carefully pull out the old engine air filter. You'll likely see accumulated dirt and debris, which is normal. Before installing the new filter, quickly wipe out any loose dirt or leaves from inside the housing. Then, place your new, clean air filter into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly and in the same orientation as the old one. Finally, it's time to close everything up. Carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back into place, making sure it aligns correctly. Refasten all the clips or screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tight and secure. Give the housing a gentle wiggle to confirm it's properly sealed. Then, start your Highlander to ensure everything sounds normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.